Good morning, students. I am Badave PGT Mathematics from JNV LATUR. Today I am going to present the 11th class lesson, 11th class mathematics lesson, trigonometric functions. See, in this topic, we are going to see the behavior of the functions, trigonometric functions in each quadrant, and what way they behave. What are their peculiarity in different quadrants that we are going to see. Now, see, here I have drawn a circle, unit circle of radius 1 unit. And having center at the origin, x-axis, y-axis. Now see here, this is the point A, where the circle intersects the x-axis, A. The coordinates of point A are 1, 0. That of B are 0, 1. The C will be minus 1, 0. And the D will be 0, minus 1. Okay. Now see, here, let us see the first quadrant. In first quadrant, you see the angle is 0. You see this angle. So this angle is 0. We are going to anti-clockwise direction. The angle is positive. So angle is 0 angle. Now this angle both are increasing like this pattern. So angle is 0 here. The angle is pi by 2 here. Now this angle will be pi, and here this angle will be 3 pi by 2. And again come back here, it will be 2 pi. You know this. So in first quadrant, the angle from 0 to pi by 2. The second quadrant, angle from pi by 2 to pi. Third quadrant, angle from pi to 3 pi by 2. And fourth quadrant, angle from pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2. Okay, like this. Now let's see. Now consider the point P in first quadrant. Okay. P is any point in the first quadrant. P. And the coordinates of point P will be like will be x and y. So naturally, if you draw the perpendicular here, this OP is making angle theta in the positive direction of x-axis. This angle is making positive x-axis. So PQ, okay, this is perpendicular. Now, what can you say about the length OQ? Naturally, it will be x. Length PQ, naturally it will be y. And the radius of OP is 1 unit. Now, x is equal to x adjacent upon hypotenuse cos theta. X is equal to cos theta. Means P will be here x is cos theta and y is opposite upon hypotenuse, that is sin theta. Okay. X is equal to cos theta and y is sin theta. Now see here the sine ratio, sin 0. Let us see sin 0. Sin 0, the OP will be this 0. Now see, sin 0, 0. Means here, sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. Because in first A is, the coordinates of A are 1, 0. Means sin 0 is 0. Here the angle is at this point, angle is 0. So sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. Now as the angle goes on increasing here from 0 to pi by 2. Now what will happen? You see, the sine function 0 to 1. So sine goes on increasing from 0 to 1 and cos goes on decreasing from 1 to 0. Isn't it? See, because sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, and then sin pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. Means what can we conclude? In the first quadrant, sin goes on increasing from 0 to 1 and cos goes on decreasing from 1 to 0. And see, at angle pi by 4 and theta is equal to pi by 4, both are coincide. No, sin and cos ratio, sin pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. You know this, you learn this. So at this point, at the middle point of this here, the sin and cos both ratios are equal. So they are very general functions. So in the first quadrant we are seeing. Okay. Now in second quadrant we see. In second quadrant what happens? From pi by 2 to pi. Okay. So you know sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Now here. Now here what happened? Cos pi, sin pi. Sin pi is 0. Sin pi is 0. And cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Then what can we conclude? Sin from 1 to 0 decreasing. From 1 to 0 decreasing. And cos from 0 to minus 1 again decreasing. So in second quadrant, 1 to 0, sin is decreasing, and again cos also decreasing from 0 to minus 1. So both sin and cos functions are decreasing in second quadrant. Okay. Now in third quadrant, what happened? In third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2. Okay. Now you see sin pi, you see. Sin pi is 0, sin pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. Okay. Now, again here, sin 3 pi by 2. What is sin 3 pi by 2? Minus 1. And cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is what? 0. Then what happened? See, sin goes on decreasing from 0 to minus 1. Sin goes on decreasing from 0 to minus 1, and cos increasing from minus 1 to 0. Okay, here. So here cos is decreasing, sin is decreasing, sin and cos is increasing. Now, in fourth quadrant, let's see, sin 3 pi by 2. In fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. So, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Now, here is 2 pi here. Now, 2 pi. Again, 1 0 is considered. So, sin 2 pi. What is sin 2 pi? Sin 2 pi is 0. This sin 2 pi is 0. And cos 2 pi is 1. Then what can we conclude? See, sin function from 0 to minus 1 to 0 increasing, and cos 0 to 1 decreasing. So here sin function from minus 1 to 0 increasing, and cos function from 0 to 1 is also increasing. From minus 1 to 0 increasing, and 0 to 1 again increasing. So in the fourth quadrant both are increasing. So 0 to minus 1 to 0 increasing, and 0 to 1 also increasing. So what are the conclusions here? What conclusions you have drawn? In second quadrant, see, in second quadrant pi by 2 to second quadrant from 1 to 0, that is decreasing, and 0 to minus 1 again decreasing. And what was in the first quadrant? What was the situation in the first quadrant? The first quadrant situation was, sin 0 is 0, then sin pi by 2 is 1. So 0 to 1 decreasing, and cos 0 is 1, and cos pi by 2 is 1. Cos 0 cos pi by 2 is 0. So this is what decreasing. Now see, what are the behaviors of the function? In first quadrant, sin decreases, 0 to 1 increases. See, in first quadrant, sine increases from 0 to 1, cos decreases from 1 to 0. Second quadrant, both functions are decreasing. Third quadrant, sine is decreasing and cos is increasing. And in fourth quadrant, both are increasing. So where is the peculiarity of the functions? You see, in which function? So here you see in the first quadrant and in third quadrant. See the peculiarity of in first and third quadrant. See, when one is increasing, other decreasing. Third quadrant, one is decreasing, other increasing. And here in second quadrant, both are decreasing. In fourth quadrant, both are increasing. This is a peculiarity. Now see, here we can form a sine wave and cos wave. See, how can we kind of form a sine function, the graph of sine function? See, graph of sine function. You see, this. So this is first quadrant 0 to pi by 2, then pi by 2 to pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Now see here is minus 1, why? The value of pi is minus 1 and this value of pi is plus. Now see, in first quadrant, sine is increasing from 0 to pi by 2, see, 0 to pi by 2, this is increasing. Second quadrant, decreasing. Third quadrant, decreasing. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and 3 pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 first quadrant, pi by 2 to third quadrant, the second quadrant, third quadrant, and this, you see, this first, second, third, and fourth quadrant again increasing. Okay, so like this, the sine wave. So 0 to pi by 2, first quadrant, second quadrant, then this is third quadrant. See, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. 2 pi. You see. So see, this is first quadrant increasing, second quadrant decreasing, third quadrant again decreasing, and fourth quadrant increasing. So like this way, and this goes on repeating like this way. It goes on repeating. Okay. So now again, what the cos function you see, the cos function. What is the beauty of this functions? See, they are very general functions. Sine and cos functions are very general functions. Okay. 0. Then this is pi by 2. Then this pi. 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. Now see here. This is minus 1. Now see, in first quadrant sine is decreasing. See like this way. This is decreasing. Second quadrant, again decreasing. You see, decreasing, increasing, again increasing. See, pi by 2, here is pi. This is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. You see, here. First quadrant, 0 to pi by 2, decreasing. Second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, again decreasing. Third quadrant, increasing. Fourth quadrant, increasing. So these are the sine curve and cos curve. These are the functions like this. So this we have completed this behavior of the sine and cos functions in the different quadrants. Thank you all of you.